Welcome back to the channel. My name is Muwonge Augustine. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And today deciding to join the channel membership. And those who haven't joined the channel membership, please I ask you to join that. Tap that join button so you can join and be a member. The membership helps me to grow the channel and to do the work that God has assigned me to do as a teacher. It begins from 10,000. You can support me, do good videos. 20,000, support Flexyhope Africa. And then 30,000, you can become a gold member. And then the last level 4, is supporting the amazing work of Flexyhope, like help the young people access the food, the school and mentorship, and then other activities that we do in the ministry. And it goes for 100,000. Njagala obeebaza mwenna abakomyewo ku channel yaffe esomesa oluganda n'oluzungu. Weebale kusalawo n'ojoininga olunaku olwaleero n'onyiga join okubanga owagira omulimu gwe tukola. Oba tonna joininga, nyiga akagambo join wobanga oze ku channel yange oberenga otweyungako. Waliwo emitendere ena, osasula omutwalo okubeera member era n'ompagira nga teacher okukola video ennungi. Omutendero gw'okubiri okuwagira omulimu gwa Flexyhope. Omutendero gw'okusatu ogenda kuba gold member owazaabu asinga ku balala bali. Ate omutendero gw'okuna ogenda kubanga owaayo obuyambi eri obuweereza bwa Flexyhope. Abaana bato baberenga basoma, nga balya, nga banywa era nga babudaabudibwa mu bwongo. Emitwalo 10 zoba joininga buli mwezi ojja kulaba ku join button. So thank you so much. Many people might be confused. How do I join? Just come back to the channel and see that join button. You tap there, it will take you, and we need some details about your bank like bank card. You fill up all of that, and then you do some deductions or super chats. All of that will be enabling me to do the great work that God has assigned me here. Onyiga join ejja kutwala oberenga oteekamu kaadi namba yo, biki ebyetaagisa byonna, olwo sente omutwalo guberenga guvangako buli mwezi, oba gosazeewo 2, if it's 10,000 oba 20,000 or 30 or 100,000, whatever you decide for a month. So I thank you so much in advance. I promise you I'll keep updating you on what that channel membership money is doing to the ministry here in Bujowali, in Jinja, in my community. And I also ask to stay in touch with you so you can follow up, even get here on the ground in Jinja, Uganda, and see the amazing work that we're doing, that this channel is doing, because we were inspired to start teaching you because of those people that are on the ground here in our community. Thank you so much. Mbagala nnyo. Mwebale musharinge video, mujoininge, tuberenga tutwala omulimu guno gena maaso.